What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some true wireless earbuds. These ones are Air by Crazybaby Nano. Now they're saying that they has superior acoustics due to the 5.5mm drivers, the 998 carbon nanotube diaphragm, and the neodymium magnets. It's running off of Bluetooth 5.0. It has noise isolation. Don't get that confused with noise cancellation. Noise isolation just basically means that it creates a really good seal around your ear. A noise cancellation, that's caused by the technology canceling out noise. So it's two different things. Now you're gonna get about 3 hours of listening time and 4 hours of talk time on a single charge, 8 to 12 hours of listening or 12 plus hours of talk time with the charge case. Now they're calling it their fast fuel technology, which basically is fast charging. In about 5 minutes of charging, you're gonna get about an hour and a half of listening, which is pretty good. All right, so inside we've got a quick start guide. We got some stickers, that's kind of cool. 1 year warranty, that's always good. We have a very tiny micro USB to USB-C. All right, oh, that's cool. I like the way they have that laid out. So we got 3 extra sets of ear cups and 2 extra sets of ear hooks. Now they're saying that these are totally washable, so you just pull those off and wash them. Of course, if you're working out, you're probably gonna want to, because that's just gonna get nasty after a while. All right, so the pod itself is way small. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh man, I am digging that. I am so digging that. That is way smaller than I thought it would be. On the outside, you get the USB-C port for charging. You get their logo right here, and that's it. It's just a pill. Look at how small that is. That is awesome. So to get to your earbuds, you should just pull it. Oh, there we go. It's a kind of a cheap case. It's a little wobbly. And then there are your earbuds. Look at these little bullets. Oh, those are cool. And they got the little ergonomic curve on it. This is very nice. You've got the connection points for charging. It's actually labeled on the inside, left and right. I hope these have power. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, I like that. Definitely lets you know they're charging. Now they're in red, and that tells me that they probably don't have a charge, which means I'm probably gonna have to let them charge. Let's find out. Great, so they are completely dead. All right, well, I'm gonna let these charge up for a bit, and okay, movie magic. Okay, now, thanks to movie magic, there we go. So now they're not flashing red anymore, now they're flashing white. Oh yeah. It's not bad. Now the button, this whole thing right here is the button. They're nice and comfortable though. I mean, look how small they are. There it is right there, the Crazybaby. Connect, bloop. Okay, cool. So now I just turn this one on. Pause works. It's only the right one though, it's weird. There's not much bass in it at all. It's lacking bass quite a bit, actually. This thing, the audio on here is primarily highs. All right, let's do Good Mythical Morning. There is no lows. There's like no lows at all. All right, I'm doing distance check. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, I got about 35 feet or so, and then it just completely cut out, but as soon as I turned around, they reconnected, and it's pretty decent. Oh, back pocket. Let's check to make sure. Nope, I don't notice any skipping. All right, let's make a phone call. All right. Don't need the right one, so it's just in the left ear. Hello. Hey, girl. What's that, girl? Yeah, how do I sound? I sound a little echoey. I wonder if that's because of the room I'm in. How about now? Do I still sound echoey? Now I'm in your ear? Oh, now it just got louder? How about now? A little muffled, but it sounds pretty clear. You can hear me okay? All right, cool. Let me crank it up. Say something? Oh yeah, okay, cool. All right, phone call was pretty good. Distance-wise, it did pretty well. They seem pretty well made. The case, on the other hand, doesn't seem like it's all that well made. It works, I mean, it works just fine, but it just feels real kind of cheap. For $100 earbuds, I would kind of expect it to be a little better quality than that. Listening to music. Bottom line, basically, if you are a bass head, these are not gonna be for you. They don't have much bass at all. Even with bass boosted, it was almost not noticeable whatsoever. Sound quality isn't bad, don't get me wrong, it's not bad. It just is lacking bass big time. The highs and the mids, I'm gonna give them a 5 because they're pretty much what I would expect. It's not $100 quality though. Bass, I'm gonna give like a 1. Like I said, even even with bass boosted on, you could barely even hear that it has bass at all. Either way, very cool packaging, nice little design. I like the small capsule size. I'm just not satisfied with the sound coming out of them. Again, if you're not a bass head, if you're not too concerned with a vibrant sound, then these are great. If you want a very shallow, high-pitched sound, this is your game right here, right there. That's the winner. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.